Tell her wake up. Tell her wake up.
Wake up, wake up, wake up. I'm happy, Bella. I'm happy. Daddy.
Hmm? Wake your sister up. Wake your sister up. Say wake up, girl.
I'm happy, Dad.
She's too heavy.
I'm happy. I'm happy, Mama.
She's too heavy. Say
I'm
what?
happy.
Yeah. Hi. Tell her get up.
Daddy,
Hmm?
I'm happy.
She's heavy. Too heavy. Sh- Shake her.
I'm happy, Daddy.
I know.
I'm happy.
She's heavy.
Daddy.
Tell her to wake up. Say wake up, girl. Don't you cry. Come here. Okay. Okay. Come put on your shoes. You ready to put on your shoes?
No.
Come on.
Daddy.
Yeah, let daddy put on your shoes. We're gonna leave Aaliyah here.
Bring it.
Tell her the sun is shining. It's sunny outside, Aaliyah. There she is. Aaliyah.
Tia.
Aww. You love your brother? Aww. You guys are so great. Alright, come on. It's time to get ready for school. RJ, I'm gonna leave you. Huh? What?
This.
What's this?
Daddy.
Hmm?
Daddy.
I see Aaliyah.
Daddy.
That's Aaliyah. Tell her to wake up. Go tell Aaliyah to wake up. That's Aaliyah. Move your hand. That's Aaliyah.
Daddy. Daddy.
You wanna see?
Mhm.
How old are you? 2.
What?
You're 2.
Daddy.
You're 2.
What?
You're not 1. You're 2.
Daddy.
How old is Aaliyah?
This.
Aaliyah's 3.
No.
Mm-hmm. Aaliyah Monet. Baby girl. Big girl. Wake up. Junior.
Huh? Daddy. Daddy.
You've seen it already.